Hello everyone, this is Engineer Hussam, and today I'm going to show you my design for face shield. The advantage of this design that I created is you can stack perfectly without any problem any number that you want.
Like this.
See, it's become damage broken.
I continued wedging my spatula between the face masks. I found that a lot of them were ending up like this.
Okay. So what I have done is, I will show you my version. As you can see here, I removed the flat surface. So I made chamfer along all sides. You can see from everywhere, from the first here and here. Okay, so, and also from the bottom. And the chamfer is at 45 degrees, so there will be no undercut, no need for support. You don't need to do anything, just print. I prefer to add raft to the slicing, and you can print at any value. Also here, I will show you what will happen when you do array here. I added gap here. It wasn't available in the designs that I show you here. They did not add this gap. I added gap, so once you insert the screwdriver, it can easily be removed. I will show you in the photo. Okay, and here they are almost barely touching each other from here. Okay, and also I added one here. Okay, the contact edge very less as possible. 0.5 millimeter. Okay, I will share with you the file. You can stack as much as you need, and even you can do like this. This one is 35 multiplied by 3. So this is the when I send this file to Cura. Okay, here are my settings. The layer height is 0.28. I didn't show anything. Wall line count 3 walls. Top layers 4, bottom layers 4. 15 infill quality. The speed 70. And here I added a raft. I prefer to add raft in most of my print. See here the benefit of adding raft. This is the raft. So if you don't add it, you might lose the part. The part may not stuck on the bed. Okay, so I prefer to add raft. And here you can see it will take 8 hours to print 6 of them.